Hi guys, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful Christmas decorations using dollar store product. We're going to decorate the Christmas tree, make a beautiful giant wreath, and I'm going to show you how you can make a garland for $5. I use dollar store products to create this look and I can't wait to show you how it turned out. Let's get started. This is my Christmas tree and we're going to decorate it first before we do mantel setup. As you can see, it looks very simple. It doesn't have any decorations and it's about 9 feet length, which is the average size. I got some beautiful red poinsettia here and gold leaves. I'm gonna use them in decorating the Christmas tree. All of this I got from Dollar Tree and from Dollarama. I will guide you through the process and I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. But first we're going to start with the topper because this is the most difficult part, and we continue decorating down the tree.
I got these beautiful large golden leaves from Dollarama. I thought it would be nice to add sparkling leaves as a Christmas tree topper instead of traditional star. It will make our tree taller and the top part would really stand out. I'm going to wrap my golden leaves with my Christmas tree branches. It secures them nicely at the top and you can adjust the direction of your leaves easily. Then I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree with a red ribbon. I made a small knot at the top and then I gently slide them through the tree branches. I'm pinching the ribbon and sticking it at the back. It looks like I'm making half a loop. You don't need to attach your ribbon to the branches, let it just sit there. Here's the tip: you don't want your ribbon to be pulled tight against the branches and you don't want it to sag too much somewhere in between. We are going to make a large bow next. The easiest way for me to make a large bow is to create 6 different sizes loops. Some loops are a little smaller and the others are bigger. When you're creating your loop, pinch and twist your ribbon at the same time, keeping them secure between your thumb and your forefinger. Make sure you leave 2 tails from both sides of the ribbon. It will add a nice curve once you hang it on the tree. Then I'm going to use a wire and wrap the base of the loops with it. Let's open up the loops and shape the bow next. Some loops may get loose, but you can always slide the wire across and tighten them up so they won't separate. Once your bow is done, you can attach it to the tree and adjust the ribbon tail by giving a little curve to hang it beautifully from the top. We are going to take 3 large poinsettias and arrange them at the top of our tree, covering a bow a little bit. The flower and the bow combination makes our Christmas tree topper look very grand and full. If you just use the flowers, it won't look as festive, and the bow does elevate the look of our Christmas tree. Our next step in decorating the Christmas tree is to add some more large golden leaves by inserting them in the middle and at the bottom of our tree. The large size of these leaves helps in making a sparkling statement in any Christmas decor. For this golden pig, you can break it down into 3 pieces and then slide the leaves into different places. Filling your Christmas tree with this type of leaves and pigs makes the tree look fuller and eliminates the empty spaces. The golden sparkle adds a nice rich look to our decor. You don't need to use only gold pigs. You can always add some red branches to make our tree more festive and color balanced. I bought different sizes of poinsettia flowers. Let's slide them in. You can always wrap your flowers with tree branches. It secures them better and protects them from falling. You can arrange them by mixing a large and small poinsettias all over your Christmas tree. As you can see, our tree is getting fuller and nicer, but it's not done yet. The golden berries add elegance to any decorations. They look so delicate and a bit different from golden leaves. They would also look beautiful in the wreath. Now is the time to add small decorations to our poinsettia tree. How about some gold butterflies? Don't you think they look so cute? These butterflies can fly beautifully around our Christmas tree. We can also attach small birds to make it more fun. These golden birds will match perfectly with our Christmas decor. I also love adding mini bows to every tree. There is something so festive about them. We can also add some more small gold poinsettias, just a small touch to finish our Christmas tree look. When I finish decorating my Christmas tree, I always check if there are any empty spots are left. And if there are, the sparkle ferns from a Dollar Tree are perfect to fill them up.
I just finished decorating this Christmas tree. It looks very beautiful and rich. Nobody will ever be able to see that you got all those decorations from a dollar store. There is one more thing that is left, is the bottom part, and we're going to decorate it next.
This tree skirt is from Dollarama. It is very nice on its own because it has a beautiful rich red velvet color. I'm going to add poinsettia garland there to make it look prettier and match with our Christmas tree decorations. Let's wrap the tree base with poinsettia garland. You can always add a little sparkling garland between poinsettias to make it more interesting. My last step is to open up each flower individually so it shows the beauty. Now we're going to create the wreath. I bought this wreath from Home Depot last year after Christmas. It was on clearance and I paid only $30 for it. It doesn't look beautiful yet, but we're going to fluff it up by opening the branches and adding more dollar store decorations. I randomly added the same decorations that I used for the Christmas tree here. You can use a wire to attach them to the wreath or use the wreath tree branches to wrap your flowers with them, just like we were doing it for our Christmas tree. As you can see, you can always purchase a regular wreath from the store and add decorations that match with your Christmas decor. Continue this process till your wreath looks full and beautiful. It is very easy and enjoyable.
I just finished hanging this wreath. It took 2 people to hang it. It looks massive, it's giant and makes such a huge impact in any home. I can't believe I did it with dollar store products. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a garland, and we're gonna decorate this part here. It only cost me $5 to put it together, and I used fresh leaves, and it's gonna look stunning.
As the base of my garland, I'll be using a Dollar Tree garland and 3 packages of 4 evergreen tree branches. I collected fresh evergreen tree branches from my backyard. We're going to layer them on top of each other and then use 1 Dollar Tree branch to wrap our fresh greens with it. These Dollar Tree greens are wired and they will hold our garland together well. Repeat this process till you reach your desired length for your garland. There is one more thing that you should be aware of. For the greens to stay fresh longer, you would need to sprinkle them with water from time to time. Otherwise, they will only last you for 1 week or so. When it comes to hanging it outside, the fresh garland will survive for 2 months or so. The cold weather and participation will keep evergreen tree fresher for much longer.
Look at this garland, it looks gorgeous. It only cost us $5. It's insane, but it looks so beautiful. It took me approximately 30 minutes to put it together, but it's definitely worth the time and effort. And now we're gonna attach it to the wall using hooks from a dollar store. It's so heavy to hold. My God, this garland is so heavy you can't imagine.
You'll need to use this type of hooks for your garland. Before purchasing it, check the maximum weight they can hold. This garland can get heavy. Also, these types of hooks do not damage the wall. It is easy to install them, but you'll need to wait 24 hours before you can hang something. In my video, I'll be using different hooks because I wanted to shoot it for you today and I can't wait till tomorrow. These hooks are good too, but sometimes they slide and you can't attach them to the wall. Once you hang your garland, you're going to see that there will be some places that need more support. You can always wrap your garland with an additional Dollar Tree branch to secure it better. Don't forget to add more greens to the empty spots if needed. You can just slide them inside the wires. Because my wreath was already very large and highly ornamented, I chose to only decorate the peaks of the garland. I didn't want the garland to take away the beauty of the wreath. I wanted them to complement each other rather than compete. Let's attach wire bearers to the corner of the garland. You can use the wire to connect them or let it just hang there. Then we can add these ferns. You can slide them in and bend it a little to create kinda resting look. I'm going to add 3 large poinsettias to make a statement to the garland. These large flowers will pull our Christmas decor together. You can add more golden leaves and berries that we just used for the Christmas tree and the wreath. It will add a nice height and give a perfect curve to the garland. Some small gold poinsettia will finish our look. Check these stockings out. They cost only $4. The color matches perfectly with our red and gold Christmas decor. They're very rich in velvet red color and I absolutely love them. I used 4 additional hooks to attach them to the wall and I actually hang my garland on those hooks too, to provide a better support. I'm going to add a lantern to the corner of my fireplace. You can watch how I decorate this lantern in the 15 Christmas DIYs video by clicking the link in the right top corner. Our setup is almost done, but there is one more thing that we can create to make our space cozier. It's the Christmas candle arrangement for the coffee table. You're going to need the plate, glass vase container and the candle to start creating this decor piece. I got evergreen tree branches from my backyard. Let's use the scissors and cut them into smaller pieces. It's easy to work with smaller pieces rather than large ones. Then you can insert them inside the glass container and put some on the plate. We can add Dollar Tree red and gold ornaments inside and outside of our container next. It will add the Christmas feel to our candle arrangement. The gold eucalyptus adds a touch of shimmer to our coffee table decor. I love adding pine cones to almost everything. They make the decor look very rustic. The large and small poinsettias pull our Christmas candle arrangement together. Now our table decor matches the mantel and Christmas tree. Let's take a look if we need anything else to add here. Maybe some more greens inside the vase, but keep them far from the light. To be safe, never leave your candle unattended while the light is on. Our coffee table arrangement is done. I hope you enjoy creating it with me, this easy Christmas candle decor.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and saw that it's possible to create beautiful Christmas decorations using dollar store product. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching and see you next week. Bye!